Hello, it's Calvin again with Multi-County Royalty Group. We're still working on a rehab house for a rental. A few things we found when we were working on it. Besides not being no headers above the doors, we had to add headers above the door. This one hasn't been done yet. As you can tell, there's no header. Every door in the house, we had to add a header to. Parts of the house we had to lift up to get the header in there to get the house more level. In the bathroom, we tore into the bathroom, we found multiple things. We found a broke pipe that goes to the sink drain. It snapped off in the wall, so their water was just draining underneath the house. That's a unforeseen sight that until you start tearing into stuff, you never know. When we got in to pull the toilet was loose on the floor. They had no flange, this is a toilet flange. They had no toilet flange on this toilet. We just had the wax ring sitting down in there, so sewer was leaking underneath the house. These are just some of the problems that you run into. This bathroom will get a full rehab now, where they've done stuff that is not up to code. So we're having to bring it all up to code. We will get this plumbing hooked up today, hopefully, and be able to move on, and we'll get y'all more videos as we move along. As I can show you, we've done a lot of sheetrocking, and hopefully this house will progress forwards from here. Once again, we have Gracie helping us work and helping us with our real estate. She is our real estate dog.
Today, she's a supervisor. Here, the ceiling was falling, so we had to tack it back up. Hope it holds. All right, everybody. Happy New Year. Until next time.